More news coming in. We're getting in details of the Delhi-Noida traffic diverted due to Kisan March. Remember, Kisans are marching to Delhi today, because of which there have been several diversions. Traffic snarls also expected. Delhi-Noida traffic diverted due to the Kisan March. Delhi stares at traffic chaos and snarls. Cops release a traffic advisory. Kisan March once again, with the protesters demanding minimum support price and reforms in the agricultural sector. Farmers intend to get out the parliament. Cops conduct search at the Delhi-Noida border. Anmol Bali at the border. He's at the Chila border right now, getting in more details. Anmol, this was but expected. There have been several attempts to march to Parliament in the past as well, with the authorities detaining the protesters at the border itself, and that's the reason why the heavy bandobast, hence the inconvenience.
Sneha, today Bharatiya Kisan Parishad and various other farm organizations have called a Delhi march, and as you can see behind me, the Delhi police arrangement done to stop the farmers, those who will try to enter the national capital. You can see Vajra Vahan, water cannon, as well as anti-riot vehicles have been deployed here on the ground. But on the other hand, I'll also show you the partially barricading done here on the road, which leads towards the national capital from the Noida, where I'm standing here at the Chilla border, and you can see the current condition of traffic, the congestion of traffic due to diversionary routes, barricading and other arrangements which is done to stop the farmers. Farmers have been protesting since November in Noida and Greater Noida for the compensation of their land. They have their various demands, and keeping all that demands in mind, today various organizations from the Western Uttar Pradesh farm organization will march towards the national capital, and even the Noida police has also issued the advisory. They have requested people to use metros and various other means to reach towards their destination in the national capital. They have also advised people to use diversionary routes to reach to their destination, and keeping all that in mind, currently you can see the current situation of traffic here in the national capital on the Delhi-Noida border.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Anmol Bali getting us those details as far as the border situation there is concerned.